As you know, AI has evolved. With these advances, especially ChatGPT, we can use specific prompt to get exact values. So that's why I have created a prompt for my student. Using this prompt, you can get exact value of cooling load for residential building. So just copy paste this prompt, so you can get exact value of cooling load. On this website hvacdesigning.com, in projects, you see this is our master prompt. Here you see this is prompt for calculating cooling load for residential building. So here first of all we define the role of ChatGPT, like they act as senior HVAC design engineer for residential. So here you can fill the inputs. So here you can fill location, space, like you can find the load for dining hall, kitchen, etc. Then you can write here the geometry, like length, width, height of the area. So here you can count exterior, like exterior wall, we have two exterior wall or single exterior wall. Similarly interior walls, number of interior wall, like if we have one exterior wall, then we have three interior walls minimum. So doors, number of doors, number of window, and if the window is have a glazing, then it may be single, double, or triple. So you can define them, and here you can also define the infiltration. If you not define this, it's okay. So just copy this prompt from here. So you can copy this prompt complete and then paste on your ChatGPT. And here you see just change write here the name of your city, like we have New York, and here you can write latitude and longitude. 40 is the latitude for New York, and longitude so you can write, let's suppose we have bedroom, so we remove all rooms and you can define here bedroom. So in bedroom mostly three peoples we have. So we have activity is light, so we can define activity in bedroom, like if you have gym, then we write exercise or according to. Then here geometry, let's suppose we have 20 feet length of bedroom, and we have 18 feet 15 feet width, and height up to ceiling height. So ceiling height maybe 10 feet. After that, here we can define the building envelope. So exterior wall, here we can define the number of exterior wall, like we have exterior wall, 3 exterior wall, 2 exterior wall, etc. we define here. Similarly, here we can define number of interior walls. If we have 2 exterior wall, then 2 interior walls must be. Similarly, we define number of doors in that space or in that region. So we have, let's suppose, 2 doors. Similarly, we can define number of windows. So we have, let's suppose, 3 windows, and it must, here we can define the type of glazing, double glazing, third triple glazing, etc. So here we, in this prompt, here you see we define all the units, etc., and all thumb rules things. So here we can define the formulas. So for all formulas, how we can calculate heat transfer through exterior wall, interior wall, windows, infiltration, etc., and what outputs we get by using this prompt. So after that, you click here. So now here you see the ChatGPT start thinking about it. Now these are result of this prompt. So here you see this is the cooling capacity requirement for that this space we define above. so which is 0.5 to ton. So they calculate here. Similarly, this is heating capacity requirement, which is 1.56 kilowatt. Similarly, this is room sensible heat ratio. These are supply CFM requirement. This is the outdoor CFM requirement as per ASHRAE standard. So here you see this is the complete cooling and heating summary, that how much heat transfer from wall, roof, doors, similarly window, solar. These are all details. So here you see this is the psychometric details for that room in summer, and this is for winter. So these are all details for envelope, building envelope. These are all details for windows, and these are details for airflow. So here you see how much in detailed result we get from this prompt. So if you want to calculate load for a residential, then you must use this prompt.